What's going on, guys? This is Ryan from Car Audio Inc. I'm here with a 2005 Subaru Forester. Show you what we did to it. It's a pretty clean car. As you can see, we put a single DIN head unit in with the pocket. This car didn't have auxiliary or Bluetooth or USB or anything like that. Customer just wanted the cheapest deck, as long as she could get Bluetooth. So this is what we did. And she's got her phone mount, very nice. It's a iAudi, which I have one of those. They're nice mounts. But anyway, so yeah, turned out pretty nice. Looks a lot better than the factory. Show you the Bluetooth mic over here. As you can see, no wires showing, of course. Everything's soldered and heat shrinked and test taped. We did a tune on this car. Yeah, I'm always trying to up my game as far as installs go, even on the more simpler units or installs. But I'll just show you something we do to kind of, just up the ante a little bit. These pockets, they come with holes in them. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's a hole back there, a hole back there, and then two on the top. And what we do is we fill that in. Just because, if you put something in your pocket, you don't want it falling down deep into the dash. That's not cool. If you like what you saw, hit us up at caraudioinc.com.